All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Now, guys, Bitcoin's been breaking out, Ethereum's been breaking out, and they've been holding some very key support levels, right? Bitcoin holding that 20K support level, not dipping back into the teens, which I think is very important, as well as Ethereum breaking above 1.5K, 1,500 bucks per coin, showing like there's a pretty strong bid there. And I think a lot of people are kind of asking, like, why is this happening, particularly right now? And I think there's kind of two stories unfolding. The main story, I think, is the Fed pivot, right? The Federal Reserve been hiking interest rates at an enormous clip over the course of 2022. And it looks like, at least being signaled by Federal Reserve President out of San Francisco, Mary Daly, who said that she thinks now is the time for the Federal Reserve to start at least discussing a decrease in interest rate hikes. So November 1st, November 2nd, there's an FOMC meeting where they will decide what the next interest rate hike is for the policy rate, but that will be probably 75 basis points. But then after, the market's starting to price in lower rate hikes. So that's actually what's causing a lot of bullish momentum in the crypto market right now, is people starting to digest that new information. The reason that we've been selling off for the last year is now starting to reverse. So I think that's a good sign. The second thing I think that's getting people really hopped up is the fact that there's been so much institutional adoption throughout this year, right? You guys saw BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is partnered with Coinbase. We see Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Citadel Securities announcing that they're launching a crypto exchange together in partnership, right? And as soon as November, that institutional exchange could launch. So there's a tremendous amount of smart money that's looking at this space and saying, okay, well, prices are low, and that's one thing, but the value and the building, it continues. So we're going to keep investing. Bank of New York Mellon, I don't know if you guys saw this in the news, the oldest bank in at least the States, and I think one of the largest custodians of assets in the States as well, announced that they're going to be onboarding crypto assets due to client demand. So you have these high net worth individuals, these qualified investors that are saying, hey, we want to be able to have our crypto holdings here in the bank through you guys, get it done, and we're pulling our money. So if that's not bullish, I don't know, you guys tell me what is. So there's a tremendous kind of undercurrent right now, and I think prices are just now starting to break out, which means I not only think the end of 2022 is going to have some fireworks to it, I think it's going to have enough momentum to really carry us through 2023. And then, as you guys know, the Bitcoin halving is right around the corner. So that's a lot more that we can talk about. But guys, the best news that I have for you is that you, since you're watching this video, can basically get free tickets to what I think is the greatest online crypto virtual event ever. There's going to be 27 speakers. I'm hosting it, and it will be from November 1st to November 3rd. Okay, it's called the Digital Currency Summit. Again, if you're watching this, you could sign up for totally free, and you could watch 27 of the world's top crypto experts. I'm talking hedge fund managers, people who have built crypto products, people who run exchanges, people who are doing all sorts of crazy stuff in the crypto world, in the traditional finance world. They're coming together, they're melting their minds together, and it's a 3-day event. Again, that's November 1st through November 3rd. You're invited, your ticket's free. All you gotta do is hit the orange button below, digitalcurrencysummit.com, that's where it's gonna be, and we're gonna have an awesome time. So I hope I see you there, November 1st, November 3rd, Digital Currency Summit, 27 experts, me, you, it's gonna be great.